How to delete text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any message from here. Press and hold the text you want to delete and then tap on More. Select more texts to delete if you want. And then, tap on the delete icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on Delete Messages to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.